What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know. So they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, honestly, I could see these people and not talk about it. You understand? But me just did a wait to get some more information on it, where I didn't get the full information that I want, people, because I did want to deal with this thing about this youth, yeah, you know what I mean, about this brother, about this dancehall artist, people, about a very talented Jamaican young man, people, who is one of the hardest and the toughest lyricists I ever see or I ever met in person. Which, people, is Hurricane Grant. Well, viewers and subscribers, you must remember Hurricane, right? Who won the Magnum King and Queens competition when that did a rain and a go on with things. You know, say now go on no more people, but a couple of years ago, you know what I mean, Hurricane was a champion and that people were scoop away with $1 million Jamaican dollars and thing. And after that, people did release a couple track and thing, and you know what I mean, did a continue the music, even though I never get that big popularized like that, people. But he was a very talented artist, and everybody knows a Magnum King and Queens and never something easy for win like that. You get me? I say you have to definitely can spit lyrics, you get me? I say, and Hurricane was a very standout artist. And why me I tell you say, me did really wait, people, you know what I mean, to get some more info, because I never know or knew that this young man was sick. You get me? So it is said that couple of days ago, people, you know what I mean, like on the 13th of September going down to the 14th, Hurricane has passed away. You know what I mean? Basically, he was going through a little illness, which I'm not aware of, or I don't know what type of sickness him did have, people, but based on a post that Hurricane did make on his Facebook page on August 16, people, where he said, in recovery mode, healing slowly but surely, progress is a slow process. Jaja, gotta guide my step. God may be slow, but he is sure. And viewers and subscribers, seeing a picture when he made that post, people, you can definitely see in his face, him never 100. You get me? I say, because Hurricane is a youth where always have a smile upon him face, people. Hurricane is a youth when you say DJ man ready for DJ. And why me I go tell you why me say that, people? Couple of years ago, well, you know what I mean, when me did a Jamaican thing, you know what I mean, couple of years ago, well, and I think that was the first time when he did enter Magnum King and Queens. I was in a community in Senton, because basically people, them go for your audition down at Ocherous, right, which I think then did get through, but that year, eventually, that wasn't the year that he won the competition, because I never got too far another one, the people, you get me? I say, it's half time try again. Well, I was in the community, people, and a car stopped. I think it was 2 cars with a lot of youth come out type people. At the time, they did have Hurricane, you get me? I say, and Dre Blunt, who was a very talented artist as well. Who is a talented artist as well, because I am the tune where say they are foreign and thing, people. And there, the man them did it, and the man them say, yo, you know, we are artists and thing, and you know what I mean? The man them start spit some lyrics, people, and we have some look at you, and we say, yo, John was stars, so some youth nice, you say, yo, the man them tough. And me I tell us the people, the man them deal with the thing the man them deal with the thing grime, me not lie. You get me? I say that's me I say, John know the man have a bus, people. And to see that we're a couple of years ago, the man win the thing. So even through that competition, after that, people when he do win the competition, me did still a pray him, you know what I mean? And I say, yo, support him, even did, you know, vote for him couple of times, because I say, yo, John no star, remember the artist, you know. So me and for me youth them people at the time, we did have this money and say, yo, like he's an artist, so we look up to, because we meet him in person, people, and if you know, say, man comes out, boom, and go win the competition. And I tell us, people, the man, they just spit lyrics, like give it him and Dre Blunt, and we say, yo, John know the man, them bad. Even though the two of them is too hardcore type of DJ people, but definitely, yo, the man, them tough. So when the news reached the New Link now, people, that Hurricane has passed away, it is really a shocker. You know what I mean? And it is really a sad one because enough time me that did and I come to boom and go through YouTube because me's a man people, me I tell you the truth. Me type in some artist name when enough people even remember. Me I tell you some artists from a long time from Magnum, King and Queens, from Rising Star, some artists and they win on them thing. The artists say win and nobody now hear about them no more. And more I just want to see if them are releasing a new tune and them thing there. So me always do that people, and now when me see and the news reach the New Link people, me not like it's really a sad one and a shocker. You get me? I say, and me know how the family feel for Hurricane because I can tell the people he was a very jovial youth, he was a very good youth, and you can see where people are saying that people, a lot of people are talking about it. And his friend, as me I tell a Dre Blunt people, make even a post on his Facebook people because I did think so the man them maybe be friend like, you know what I mean, maybe from high school days, but basically they're money and friend from a long time up to the time of his death at the age of 34 years old, young youth. So Dre Blunt say, yo, from primary school, grade 1, until we become man, we are tried. Who know the connection we had. John know my brother, me can't believe. Look how much plans we had to change the game. Now you gone, leave me youth. Me love you my brother until we meet again. Shake my head, love your youth. Hurricane Grant. Me I go drop the song, you hear? Yours and subscribers. That's just, you know what I mean, to the amount of love where people still are show him. Friends, even people who never meet him in person, just to say, yo, them be friends with him through Facebook and them a show love to him people. And yo, all me can tell of viewers and subscribers, you see life, we have to appreciate life every day we're there on earth. You get me I say? Because we don't know what tomorrow may brings people. And basically, Hurricane was finding himself, people, closer to the Almighty. Because I saw where a song is there, but because of copyright reason and them thing, that I even not go play the song, people. But I say I saw a song where a brother posted and the brother say, yo, you know, say this is the last tune where Hurricane did a work pan and thing. And the man say even though Hurricane did sick people, him still try to push and go in a studio and try to record the music, people. You know what I mean? And me I go check YouTube people, and if I see the song or even any song at all I find with Hurricane name, me I go put it in the description, people, so you can just come say boom and check the link, and you know what I mean. So me I tell the viewers and subscribers on a real level, sometime we don't have to do a new link though. As me tell us sometime, you know what I mean, a lot of artists out there where we know people, but not because we not hear them or get them big hit song there and them tear down the place, but them still have song I put on YouTube. Sometimes when you remember their name, just type in their name, check them out, give them a like, give them song a share, give them song a comment, people, you know what I mean? Because these artists are talented artists, but you don't know say true this and that and the music things that we are Jamaica basically, people. If you not do gimmicks and then something there, if you not some big connection and then something there, you not get the buzz and the exposure we have to get. You know what I mean? A lot of artists we use vloggers to get them push and think, people. But honestly, we can do our part, people, but sometimes it's still not even enough. Because if the man then decide for all have certain we are this and that and them lock the gate same way, you know what I mean? It's good for promotion and good when a blogger can promote the people. But honestly, me I be honest and truthful, sometimes it's still not enough to the music thing said. So anytime people when they can come say boom, because it's sad. You know what I mean? It's sad and me feel a way. If you know so the artists drop out, people, and it's a very talented youth. You get me I say? So from me, New Link Production and my whole team, I just want to send out my condolences to all the family of Hurricane. You get what me I say? From Dre Blunt, from my mother go right down, people, and I have seen where even a person posted and say, yo, the man did for go back in the States and thing, because Hurricane is a youth who travel back and forth to Jamaica to over in the US, people, because you have a lot of family over there and you always go amongst his family and thing. You know what I mean? And I have seen where somebody say like him ticket did even buy for him fly out, and yo, it just sad, people. It just sad. You know what I mean? But as me tell the people, it's life and we just have to appreciate life, because we're there people and we're good today and we don't know what tomorrow brings. We don't know maybe what next year are going to bring, the other year after. So every day people just have to give the Almighty thanks. You get me I say? We just have to give him thanks. Because remember, you know, people, we're not going to do a favor, you know. You get me? Some of we are going to go young, some will live out for go old, and we just don't know. So just give the Almighty thanks and praises. And again, my condolences to the family, friends of Hurricane, and may his soul rest in peace. You don't know, people. This is New Link, you know. from New Link Production. And we say attack. And I just peace, my viewers and subscribers, and love and respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. Attack them New Link. I'm out.